Welcome back to the channel. We are doing another DAC unboxing. This is another box that I got from Black Friday. So you want to see what other kind of purchases I got on Black Friday? Let's get right to it. Now, we're not opening up the individual. This is just opening up the box to see what all I bought for the store and for me to work on. Alrighty, let's turn this box over and see what all we have in here. We have quite a bit. Let's see if we can get this box to stay out of the way. Stay. They don't want to stay out of the way. Okay, looks like we have another box full of nothing but squares. We do. You ready to see which kind of squares we got? Here's the first one. It is Randall Spangler's Reading Tree. This one's a 104 by 51. We're gonna lay that down there and bring you down so you can get a nice look at that. Let's see if we can get you to focus a little better. There we go. There it is. Bring you down. Looks like that's all the get better we're gonna get. There we go. Now it's wanting to actually focus. Alright. I love Randall Spangler and the dragons. And these are for me. Any Randall Spangler is going to be for myself. Now, I will put a link up in the shop so someone can actually, if they want me to do one and purchase one from me for them, they can request me to do one for them. Here we go. The next one is another Randall Spangler. So many books, so little time. This one's a 56 by 109. Let's see, how close can we get you to that picture? That looks about it. Alright, in our next box, we have, oh, I guess this is my Randall Spangler box because we have Literate Dragon. This one is a 70 by 70. I just love Randall Spangler and his dragons. Okie dokie. And the next one. Yep, this is the Randall Spangler box. Another Randall Spangler. I hope I'm saying that right. Kitchen Helpers. I love this one because I also myself love to bake. 56 by 69. See how close we can get this picture so you can see it. And last but not least in this box, Cooking by candlelight, 70 by 70. It's another Randall Spangler. Okay, come on, focus. There we go. Let's see how far we can bring it in. Looks like that's about all the farther we can. And that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. I still have a few more boxes to go that I got on Black Friday. These are all my Black Friday purchases. I spent a lot. Say hi to Princess. Say hi, Princess. She's up on the bed, wanting to say hi to everyone. You want to say hi to everyone? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, that's all for today. Princess, Paisley, and I say bye. There's Paisley chomping on a bone. It's the only way to get them out of the camera slide. You guys have a good day or weekend, whichever it is. Stay safe out there. Make sure you wear your mask. And toodles! Thank you.